Hey, Kjell in Denmark. Today I'm working on a project that has been stalled for years. It's a little table saw, and I've mounted the motor and making the belt an axle for the saw blade. And today I'm making adjustments so that the saw blade can be raised up and down. Now we are looking from the bottom of the saw. And my next job is to, on the mill, make a relief here and here, so that I can adjust and fasten the saw blade in different heights. And I plan to put this down in this pipe through these reliefs I'll make here and here, and then the head. And I believe this knob is big enough for just holding this. Then I'll try it, and if it's usable, I'll make a cover for these belts and make a box around the saw blade to collect all the dust. On the other end, the pivot point, I used some of my alu bars, the one that I did saw with the saw blade on the mill. I have another video that shows that. It's usable for this purpose here. And the motor is a Hewlett-Packard motor from an old computer disk, very old one from the 80s. 240 volts, 3-phase. And this table saw was one of my first projects I ever started, and then it has been stalled for years, and in fact I should have built it. I could have used it so many times in the past, but that you often realize too late. So, but now I think it's gonna be finished in a few days. Thanks for watching.